I am Devlin Steele, Director of Education at Augusta Precious Metals. There has been no shortage of important economic news over the last several days. Here's some of what's been going on. Before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe for more economic updates. On Wednesday, the central bank released the minutes from their June policy meeting, and although Fed policymakers eventually voted unanimously for a pause, the path to getting there was less than smooth. The minutes make reference to frequent exchanges during the meeting between members for and against a rate increase. Those arguing for another 25 basis point increase last month cited several factors, including the tight labor market, stronger than expected economic momentum, and too few clear signs that inflation is really on its way back to 2%. Among the biggest concerns of policymakers recently has been the stubbornness evident in core inflation, which excludes food and energy prices. Although the headline Consumer Price Index decelerated to 4% in May, core CPI remains well over 5%. The Federal Reserve's next policy meeting is scheduled for the end of this month. In other news this week, the Institute for Supply Management Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index contracted for the 8th consecutive month in June. Not only did PMI once again come in below the key measure of 50 that separates expansion from contraction, but the June number indicates that manufacturing sector fell deeper into contraction territory. PMI registered 46 last month, declining from the 46.9 posted in May. Finally, payroll processor ADP surprised observers with the release on Thursday of its National Employment Report for June. The report, which tracks non-farm payrolls in the private sector, blew away expectations for hiring activity last month. According to the report, the private sector added 497,000 jobs in June, far more than the 180,000 jobs that had been projected. The hotter-than-expected measure is among the latest pieces of data suggesting that additional interest rate hikes could be on the way. That's it for now. We'll see you again next week. This is Devlin Steele for Augusta Precious Metals, signing out.